Hello, welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I'm just swatching some new marker sets that I got for Christmas. This set is just a set of pastel highlighters from Dollarama. Got them for Christmas from my son and his girlfriend, and they're pretty pastel colors. So I've prepared a swatch sheet that I will do them on white, and then I'll do them over some book page so that we can see how translucent they are over the book page. And I thought I would just do like a squiggle and then just go over a few words. And I thought I could use this sheet for other highlighter sets that I may get in the future. So I may prepare another row like this. Colors are, as they are described, pastel, not very saturated. Very soft colors, actually. What's this one? Mauve. They do a good job of letting the print show through, that's for sure. This one's a little darker. All in all, I'm happy with those colors, and they come in a clear plastic case. $3 for a set of 6 in Canada. And that's the barcode thing if you want to try to get them online. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with those. I'm going to put them in order that they are on the case. I don't know if that's how they were in there or not. That's interesting. So I do swatch all my marker sets when I get them. I don't refer to them an awful lot, but when I do need a specific color, it is handy to have them. So I keep them all in this folder. I may make a book for them someday. So I just did these paint markers, and I do pencil crayons, and I do my watercolors. Those are Dollarama watercolors. So all different types, inks. It's just sort of handy sometimes when you're looking for a specific color to work with. You might be able to adjust to which type of medium it is. So anyway, I'm very happy with those, and they will be used for art, not for highlighting, but I did want to, sometimes you want to highlight a dictionary word or something in your junk journal. So I thought that it would be good to see how they look over book page. So I hope that helps you decide whether these are worth the $3 or not. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these before, or if you've got other sets of them. I would like to know what other ones there are to look for. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, but most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.